This is my quick review on how to light an Amazon package on fire. Oh boy. Hey, what's up YouTube? So we got another unboxing for you. This one day, but anyways, Anker soundbuds curve replacement. Let's see what we get in here, guys. Okay, first off, we got a box. And we got this, y'all. What is this? We got this right here. See that? Let's get a good look at that. Get a good look at that. We got this. We might actually got all the pieces. Not too bad, Anker. We got some papers. See? Sorry, Kayla. Let's crack this open. This is like Hanukkah all over again. Oh man, I'm gonna cut my finger out just because I was giving a shout out to Hanukkah. Kwanzaa is what I should have said. Okay, let's check this out. Bam, we got this right here. I'm just gonna do this for a long time, baby. Okay. Micro USB to to USB Type A. Oh, thinking. Short little doohad. Make sure to keep this cord because it does have some important information which you're gonna need when you file a claim for these things. Like if your kids rip them to shreds or your dog poops on it or something. Got a little clippy thing right there. Probably not going to be using that, but maybe. Got some instructions. Some more instructions. This one's power your life. I mean, power your mobile life. See that? Yeah. So that's it. And we have these Anker Sound Core Curve Sound, I don't know, whatever the name is. The link will be in the description. Check this out. This is what they look like, and I will tell you, these go loud just like skull candies, if not the same or if not louder. I don't know. I like to put the biggest earpiece in it and then jam that in my ear, drown out my wife and she's yelling at me like, meh, 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 meh. I'll be like, anyway, these feel so crispy though. These are like, I don't know. I think I might be tripping, but this thing feels a little bit bigger than my other pair. I don't know, maybe. So that concludes this unboxing. See you guys on the next time. On the next episode of Novellos. I can't see why you can't get in my face.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I think you're talking crap.
You just have to focus. Told you gotta use.
I don't know. I only have one hand, dude. Screw you. Figure it out your damn self then.
Why you always gotta cut some of my videos?
Because you're a jerk. That's why.
This makes a great novella.
Up yours.
Up mine. We should like shoot a whole movie like this. Where are you going?
I told you what I'm doing. Not my fault you ignore me.
But I love you.
No, you don't, liar.
You can't leave me stranded like this on a desert
Hasta
island.
los tacos, Christian.
But you have the only life raft. Don't leave me.
Swim, buddy, swim.
But
Pray the sharks don't get ya.
who's gonna help me hunt for food? I beg you, come back. Come back to me. Who's gonna help me? Who's gonna help me cook what I catch? I can't believe this. After all we've been through. Who's gonna whisper sweet nothings in my ears at night? Oh well. At least I got my kids that can help me hunt for food.
Okay.